IPC-9800 Pro series. The functions of each model are different, and some functions are marked with an asterisk are optional. Rsrteng has been innovating camera tester series to meet customer needs. According to the record, the IPC-9800 Pro series is the most popular among all series. The Rsrteng IPC-9800 MOVTADHS Pro uses a 7-inch 1280 by 800p IPS touchscreen. We can see multiple application interfaces such as dual gigabit network interface, BNC, UTP, TDR, VLS, OPM, DMM, VGA, HDMI, input by output, and other DC power output, etc. Let's do some functional demonstrations. The most important function is definitely the IP camera test. Use a network cable to connect the tester to the camera through the LAN by PoE interface. The PoE output functions will be turned on and the camera has power on. Enter the IPC test interface, can view network information, the power output information, and other test tools. Pay attention to the correct password to log into the camera. Otherwise, you will not be able to enter the camera video. The IPC-9800 series support Max 8K, 32MP, 4K, 12MP IP camera test. For OmniVIF camera testers, can auto log in camera and display camera image. The camera's resolutions will be displayed at the top. We can call the menu and set a series of camera parameters, such as PTZ control, IP camera video settings, image settings, identification, time set, maintenance, camera user set, network settings, etc. There is no doubt cable test is another important function. RJ45 TDR can test pair status, length, attenuation, reflectivity, impedance, skew, etc. Measurement range can up to 590 FTS. UPT cable testers can easily know cable connection status and display on the screen, easily determining breakpoint of the core RJ45 plug fault, location of the host by test box. CCTV test built-in Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz speeds of 150 Mbps. Support create Wi-Fi hotspot, Wi-Fi analyzer, powerful network tools, trace route, DHCP server, port flashing, ping test, link monitor, LLBP. IP scan can quickly find the IP address of the IP camera and other device connected to the instrument, supporting scanning, MAC address, scanning for IP conflicts. DC 5 volts by 2 amps, 12 volt by 3 amps, 24 volt by 2 ampere power output, which can temporarily supply power for the camera. The IPC-9800 Pro Series camera tester is powered by a 7800 milliampere hours, 7.6 volt, 59.28 watt hour lithium-ion polymer battery. The battery model is V5-H. The power management application can view real-time data such as voltage and power of PoE, PSE, and DC power. You can see that the tester installs many test applications, and you can also install third-party applications yourself if necessary. Support multi-language operation menu and built-in electronic operation manual help us better use CCTV testers. APP applications allow us to upgrade the app online or download the APK file to the TF card for local updates. Next are the optional features. The first is the coaxial HD camera test. Max support 4K, 8MP, TVI by CVI by HD by CDI camera test. Auto HD. App can automatically recognize the camera type and display resolution. Support PTZ control and OSD menu operations. Level meter can accurately measure video peak level, sync level, and burst level. Judge whether the working image of the camera and the image of the attenuation by BNC cable transmissions are normal. The cable tester is also popular for workers. 1. Open the Cable Tracer APP. Turn the knob to adjust sensitivity. It's convenient to quickly find out the BNC cable, network cable, and telephone cable from the messy cables. Cable tracer and cable testers can be tested at the same time. Judge whether the network cable is accurate. And 1 through 8 indicators of cable tracers will flash according to the cable sequence. The direct by cross by other 3 lights displays the type of network cable directly. The cable tracer equipped with NCV non-contact AC voltage detection function. Next, we test the 4 functions that are only available in the model IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro. The TDR test support measure metal cable, include BNC cable, network cable, telephone cable, RVV cable, and elevator cable, Cat 5x6 cable lengths, and short circuit. Measurement range can up to 1200 meter, 3,937 feet. Digital multimeter support DC and AC voltage measurement, resistant measurement, continuity test, diode measurements, capacitance measurements, etc. 10MW visual fault locator with 650 nm wavelength. Test multi-mode and single-mode fibers bending and breakage. Test range up to 10 km, about 32,808 feet. Optical power meter is used for optical power testing and fiber link loss relative measurements. These tools widely used in FTTX optional network engineering construction.